Ayun, o. Diba? It's good. Damihan nyo pa ng sauce. Pwede nyo lagyan to ng hot sauce. Hayaan lang natin lumabas yung kanyang mantika. Lagyan muna natin ng salt and pepper, liquid seasoning, then soy sauce. Then, side lang natin. Tayo ng sesame oil, yung bawang, sibuyas, sable. This is optional, chives. So, almost done. Using lumpia wrapper. Para sa sauce, mayonnaise, grated garlic, milk, honey or sugar. Mix natin. At ito magiging sauce natin. So, ito na din ang ating ginawa kanina. Vegetables. Water.